Hey everyone, Brian here. It's Wednesday, August 19th. I'm traveling, so we're going to make this quick recap, but midweek recap. But let's take a look at what happened today. Kind of an interesting day in the markets, and you can see just from this quick overview here how we gapped up, and then we had this big sell-off here, 2 p.m. And yeah, ended up down on the day on all the indexes. So kind of an interesting day. Let's get into the whys and wherefores. And let's start out with the transport. So you can see here, again, sell off on the day. You can see here we're putting in some kind of this what I would call topping action here. Still overbought, volume picking up a little bit, but yeah, finished up down on the day, and that's almost a reversing candle there. So it'll be interesting to see if the transports can continue, or I think it looks like we're maybe going to pull back a bit here after this pretty big run up. So wouldn't be surprised if we had a bit of a pullback on the transports. You can see here one of the things that was going on, yields went back up again. You see we've been on this rise. We had a little bit of a pullback here. Yields may be going higher. That could explain why gold sold off today, maybe why the market sold off. But we're still pretty low, so I can't really attribute that to the market sell-off. Dow again, down on the day, 85 points. Again, some topping action here. Triple top on that RSI. Volume picking up a little bit, but still on average lower than what we've been getting in the past. And you can see here the stochastics rolling over as well. So again, looks like we're going to maybe, after pushing to these new highs, we're going to get a pullback. But you know what usually happens when we get it pushed to a new high? We usually get a pullback back to place where we broke out from, and then we continue higher. So I'd be watching for more consolidation and maybe even a push higher from here. Again, remember the Fed's got our back, and interest rates still really low. Nothing to change that thesis right now. Again, sort of same story. IWM up on the day and then sold off. RSI kind of topping action there. Again, we may just be broke out from this level, and now we're breaking out here, and now we're maybe pulling back again. So I'd watch if we hold this level on all these indexes, previous highs. Again, same thing, same story, won't repeat it. Qs and SPX again, topping action. Volume picking up a little bit, but still low. So I don't see any big sell-offs coming, probably consolidation, maybe a bit of a pullback. Look at the dollar. The dollar really had a big bounce today. We started the day just sort of flat, and it really came ripping back here. I'm not really sure. I'm not convinced that this is going to be a reversal. We may get some price action here, like we may be getting another gap up here in the morning, and then a sell-off, and that'll be indication we're probably going to head lower. But interest rates going up, possibly dollar might strengthen a bit. And the VIX, you can see here, I noticed on the VIX here today, we ended up in the green, of course, with all the indexes selling off. So green day in the VIX. Let's take a look at quick sector performance. You can see here discretionaries, most of the stuff sold off today. Technology, industrials were actually hit one of the harder. Materials took it on the chin. Of course, gold, silver was down with the strengthening US dollar. Energy, again, taking a bit of a punting here. It's been down for what's really actually, this trend got broken in and around here, and now we're heading, we may be heading back down to this 36 level on the XLE. The interest rate sensitive stocks got hit, the REITs, real estates. Financials didn't do well. Even though interest rates were rising, you would have thought it might have done a little better. And again, utilities, again, having trouble with the rising interest rate environment. So let's go over the actives quickly here that I've got. I got DBA still holding onto this. Again, I think it's continuing to go higher in that under 14. I am out of this trade fast. I don't know why it's still there. Intel still holding, still looks like it's holding 48, so keep hanging on to that. Nikola, stopped out in Nikola. It didn't continuation move, get a continuation move, and stopped out of space as well. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen here, and we'll be looking for some more opportunities when I get back in my office and have more time. So this is the book on Amazon, How to Swing Trade. It's my book, and yeah, so hopefully everyone's had a good day, and we will see you in the Bear Bull Trading Room, 8:30 pre-market show. And it's great that I'm out in the East Coast here, getting my time zone in the East Coast, and it's great getting up early and having an opportunity to really spend some time looking over market opportunities before the market opens. Uh, so hopefully we'll see you in the room in the morning. Bye for now.